And so be human. Just be human.
When I was younger, my goal was to change the world.
Different boards होने नहीं चाहिए, like CBSE, ICSE and all.
It's to make my parents proud.
But every person can have everything.
But teaching one-on-one is better. Right now focus only on subjective learning, and they only stick to subjects like science, maths, English for example, and they just teach the students how to memorize stuff and just come to the exam and write the stuff down, and that is how they get marks.
So I don't want that competition कि if education में अच्छे marks नहीं आए तो कुछ नहीं होगा और हम fail हो गए तो कुछ नहीं होगा.
Honestly, I feel like our education system focuses too much on science. When we ask children what they want to be, usually the answer goes engineering or doctor. There's nothing else.
Because how our education system follows is that you have to, that conventional path that आप पढ़ो, you earn the degree and then you become something. But they never teach you how to live your life. They never teach you what is the purpose of your life. They never teach you कि अच्छा how to how to do something if you are passionate about something. You are always taught that acha engineers, you become an engineer or you do MBA or you be a doctor, then only your life is settled or something. But I think so that's not the real thing.
So any message you want to give to the youth of this country?
I think that normally people go clubbing and all other places, but those are not really as important as learning. Like this is again a learning experience for ourselves. We are not going to teach our kids कि आप यहाँ पे जाओ enjoy करो ये वो. But I would like to make a change and focus on the overall development of the child rather than just subjects. And I think schools and colleges are a place of personality development for the kids, and that is how it should be.
So मुझे वो mentality change करनी है society में. So first of all मैं system change करूँगा कि ये competition वाला जो है वो मुझे निकालना है कि all are thinking कि अगर अच्छे marks नहीं आए तो कुछ नहीं होगा, अच्छे marks ये नहीं हुआ तो मतलब education में ज़्यादा आगे नहीं आए तो कुछ नहीं होगा. वो बहुत wrong perception है, वो wrong thought है. So वो मैं change करूँगा.
Even in Pathshala and Vidyalaya, we can see that a lot of kids have a lot of different talents. They don't all just excel at studies, but they have different talents like rapping or beatboxing, and we need to give them the tools to enhance those talents and make them realize that there's a valid career in that too. It's not like you just need to get some stuffy, boring bank job, and there's no one definition of success. There are so many things you can do, and those paths should be open to all kids.
वो I think people should follow their passion. अगर कुछ और करना पसंद है, पढ़ाई तो ठीक है, पढ़ाई तो करनी होती है, बट उसके अलावा अगर कुछ पसंद है तो उसको कंटिन्यू करते रहना चाहिए.
to Sunday, I always feel that कि अच्छा we have to do something good, and if that good is for just 1% also now, so it is making a whole year also. So that's what it is.
The kind of happiness that they give me is not something that I can get in my own life, and this is like the one selfless thing that I get to do, so I cherish every moment of it.
Sunday is basically not a day like where we are free, like we think we are free and do nothing. It is basically preparing yourself for tomorrow and reflecting your mistake, reflecting yourself from the mistake you committed yesterday. Basically, Sundays, I think personally that Sunday is like that.
Spending little time for others is more important than enjoying with your friends. That is what I feel.
If you wanted to ask one thing from the universe,
If I want to ask, and so be human. Just be human. Because when you say na human, so a real human being is who believes that the world belongs to all. Because what we think is, कि अच्छा this is my status, ये मेरा है, और this borders we have created. Humans have created borders, humans have created status. You are higher class, you are lower class, I am middle class. So I think so rather than that, you try to be a human being. And a human being means that he never differentiates between low status or high status. He is just a human being. Means he has respect for every living being, what I think.